Hello everyone, this is your coach Geeta Dubey and welcome back to my channel. And today I'll be talking about another very important topic, which would be when you feel stuck in situations and how you can reset your brain for success. And I'll be talking about 3 tips where you can use them into your daily life and start working on them, and then you would see that you have started to move towards the success, right? So before I do that, please do subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, of course press the like button, which always gives me huge encouragement to make such videos, and also please do write and share some comments as well. So with that, let's get started. So many of my clients, they have talked about a situation where they have felt stuck in their lives regarding their businesses, their jobs, their personal relationships, their finances. And they have asked me often what they could do very quickly to reset their brain coming out of that situation and moving towards the success. And I told them there are 3 things they can do immediately and start working on them. So I shall be talking about those 3 things. So most of these people, when they feel stuck in a situation, it seems like they are over empowered with their negative thoughts, limiting beliefs. That's taking care of that part of the brain where brain is not able to refocus back to the situation more clearly. So limiting beliefs are nothing where your mind has been programmed probably earlier sometime, where you keep doing the same thing and again and again. I usually talk about that as well. But in this video, I would not take you there. I would talk more about how you can get rid of their limiting beliefs and just get back, and 3 things which you can do right now which would help you a lot. So first step which you should be taking is decluttering of your mind. I literally mean that decluttering. So you can always start. Now sometimes I tell people, if that is difficult for you to do as a first step, so start with the decluttering of your home. Because sometimes when you physically start doing something, you're giving your brain a message, now you're ready, or resetting your mind for its decluttering as well. So if you simply start decluttering everything around you, you would start to see some really good results. And also sometimes you can use any of the techniques, right? You can use meditation. Some people like to use meditation, and meditation comes in so many ways. You don't have to do meditation literally like how people say or how other people do. You better start to understand how you are going to be with the meditation. It could be a chanting, it could be sitting at one place, it could be just trying to refocus your thoughts, it could be sound. So you can play around with what kind of meditation really works for you, so you don't have to follow what other people are doing. So this technique also would allow you to detach from the unnecessarily thoughts and focus on the present moment. So the idea behind this is like you need to detach yourself from something, and you need to get back to the present moment. Okay, so 2 things. So either just so that you can start to refocus your thoughts, you can do it 2 ways, either decluttering, or you can do some kind of meditation practice. If you have been doing, that's great, and it's not working, change your meditation. Okay, so number 2, so self talk is we all talk so much about, right? And those thoughts keep coming back to our mind all the time. So you really need to stop your negative self-talk. Now, how you can do that? You can achieve that in so many ways. Number one, whenever you feel that a negative thought is coming to your mind, you need to do it in a way. Number one, you could do the simplest ways, some kind of affirmation for yourself. Let's say, I'm not good at this. So immediately when that thought comes, you need to say that, no, I'm really good at this. So no matter what, you just have to say it, that I'm really good at this. Okay. So, and keep repeating these phrases again and again. So let's say some situation is bothering in your life. So just how to come out of it immediately, if you say, even if your mind is not recognizing at that point, but just keep saying that affirmation that I'm good at that. Okay. You can make any kind of affirmation regarding your situation in your life. So that's going to be number two. So what would happen? Slowly and gradually, these thoughts will also seeped into your subconscious mind, and that's what we want, right? So you'll start to keep saying, I'm good at this, I'm good at this, and that will transform your mindset. And mindset is a huge place you want to be in, right? So you need to get out of this negative self-talk, and then you're working with your subconscious mind, and then you move into your mindset. Number three, now this one could be a huge as well. It's a very crucial of resetting of your brain for success is adopting a growth mindset. Now, I just spoke to you about mindset in point number two, but you need to understand this. You have to do that to move on to point number three, or the three things or three tips you could do, right? So you have to start resetting your mindset much earlier than you can move into your growth mindset, or you can move into your success mindset. So remember that. So you have to play around and you have to go one by one step so that you are able to achieve to your success mindset. So success mindset or the growth mindset you can achieve by doing just the simple things. For instance, whatever you do in your daily life, just keep repeating them. So you're telling your brain scientifically that I'm going to do it no matter what, whatever if happens, if I face any obstacles, if I have any struggles, but I'll keep going. So whatever daily habits you have, pick any 5 of them or 3 of them. Work if you want to work with little lower numbers, that's fine too, but keep doing them no matter what happens, right? No matter anything happens outside the world, but you will be focused on yourself and your brain. So now you're working with your brain, so you need to be very, very careful, right? So you are just trying to reset your brain, so you have to do it in certain way so that you don't face any problems in the future and you get back to your goal quickly. So the 3 things I would just repeat again, that the first thing you could do is simple, is just you have to declutter your mind. Number 2, you really need to stop your self-negative talks and immediately to convert them into positive ones, right? And number 3, a very crucial one for adopting a success mindset or a growth mindset, you have to do the first 2 steps, because if you do them clearly and you do them regularly, you'll be able to achieve your 3rd one very easily. And it is also a requirement that you please do those 2 first. All right, so to supercharge your brain reboot, also you can incorporate some good healthy habits if you want to, some new skills or something, because that works as a neuroplasticity, where your brain thinks that you are on the move of learning something or something. That's just an extra if you want to do it, but you can keep it aside if you don't want to learn anything new, but definitely you have to work with what you already have. So, and after I think few weeks, so you would find that the newfound positive mindset, and it will see that mindset would start impacting your life. First, your personal life, and if you're trying to achieve any goal, your professional life. So this would be a huge learning. So you start any of those 3 steps and you just go one by one, and I'm sure you'll be able to achieve your goals and you'll be able to reset your brain. So thank you for watching today, and I hope you enjoyed, and I'll be back with more such videos on business growth mindset, of course, and on motivational and life coaching. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press like button and bell icon so that I know that I'm getting a huge encouragement from you all, and I'll keep making such videos and I'll be back for more. So thank you for watching.